All right, guys. So this is going to be a little bit of a shorter video here with the help of the cat, apparently, where we're going to take a look at the two tools that the book mentions in sort of at the end of the chapter here. There's set and beef. Yes, thank you. The first thing that we're going to talk about is set. Which is the same sort of, it's going to look a little bit like Metasploit, and it's going to help you sort of take a look at how to automate social engineering attacks. And so if you open a command line and type set, this is probably not going to work how you want it to. Set is a Linux command that actually does something else. Yes, thank you. So what we're going to do is if you open the menu at the top there and just start to type the word social, that's going to go ahead and be what you want it to do. It tells you the name of the command up here. Went by real fast. If you want to launch this yourself, and I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bigger so you can see what's going on. But this is we're now inside set. So if you wanted to go ahead and select anything from the menu here, like if we just take a look at one, it's going to give us sort of a whole list of things that we can do as a result of this. I think we may have actually played around with this in the previous mini semester when we were talking about ethical hacking. So there's not too much I want to show you guys here, just that that's already built into Kali, and if that's something that you're interested in, that's certainly something you can go take a look at. Now, please do not use this to get yourself in trouble, and do not socially engineer your classmates unless you've already told them what you're doing. So be aware of that. Okay. So the next thing that we want to talk about here is what's referred to as beef, and it's spelled B-E, capital E-F, and if you were anything like me, this is actually not something that was on your copy of Kali by default. Let's see, browser exploitation framework. But if you go to beefproject.com, which is rather hilariously named, I think. Of course, the logo is a cow. This link is in your chapter resources. This is something that you could download and take a look at. They're using GitHub to do this, so you should be able to download this if you'd like. If you try to do this with the apt-get command, I believe the name of the package is beef-xss. So you should be able to do an apt-get beef XSS on your system. I tried that on mine and it didn't seem to work. There were some missing packages in there, so it might be a better idea to download it from GitHub. But we're not really going to delve too deeply into this. The book only spends about a paragraph talking about this anyway. But I wanted you guys to sort of see what it was and how to get to it if this is something that you want to play around with yourself.